Hi and welcome to section 2.3 example 1. In this question we're looking at using the sine law. Okay, so in this example here we have Pudluck, his cabin, his friend's cabin, and they're 1.8 kilometers away, and there's this communications tower over here which we're told is near the store. And we want to know how far it is from his cabin to the store. So we're looking for this distance here. Okay, the convention we use for triangles is the length of the side is the same letter as the opposite vertex. So here is the opposite vertex. So this side here we call little b. So that's what we're looking for, is little b. Okay, so using sine law, the way we set this up is we look for angles like b and the side across from them. That we can write as a ratio of, so in this case, like sine 88 degrees over b. Okay, so that's the essential idea to sine law, is writing an opposite angle over top of the side across from it. Okay, well, looking at this, the only other information we know are this side here, but we don't know this angle C, and then there is, well, this angle here, but we don't know this side here, side A. Okay, so what we can do though is that we know in a triangle the angles have to add up to 180. So we know that angle C must be equal to 180 minus 88 minus 61. Okay, so calculating that, we can find out that angle C is 31 degrees. So this in here is 31 degrees. Okay, so now we can write a ratio of the 31 degrees, right? So this 31 degrees here, and we know the side across from it, which is 1.8. So we can go sine 31 degrees over 1.8 kilometers, right? So it's always sine of the angle going with the corresponding side length for the side that's across from that angle or opposite of that angle. Okay, so now we're looking for b here. To find b, we'll just cross multiply and divide. So we don't have to show this in too many steps, but we can right now. So cross multiply, we've got b times sine 31 equals, and then this other one we go sine 88 times by 1.8 kilometers. Okay, and then to get the b by itself, we divide everything by sine 31, so it'll be b equals sine 88 times by 1.8 kilometers divided by sine 31. Okay, when we calculate this, we have sine 88, which we just type into the calculator like that, times by 1.8. Then we go equals divided by, and then we just write in sine 31, and we hit equals, and we should get that b is 3.5. And looking at the values here, we have sine something degrees, sine something degrees. Those end up just being numbers, so there's unitless, and we're left with kilometers. And so we get b is 3.5 kilometers, which in the context of this problem, right, it's a distance, makes sense. It says round to the nearest tenth, right? That's one decimal place nearest tenth. Okay, so that's using sine law to find a missing side length.